Hey everyone, welcome back to Little Blue Skiff. This is John, and haven't filmed it a little while because I've been building a new boat, a sailboat, and I'll introduce you to you today, and then I will take her out for the first time. So let me show you the sailboat. So the sailboat's Northeaster Dory. I'm naming her Hunky Dory. And today I'm just taking her out for the very first time, dinky dock here at Winter Park, Florida. No sails, but there's a lot to try out. First time in the water, and I'll just try to row her around. First time launching it on the trailer, so a trailer might need adjustments, etc. It's just one of those things you gotta work on. So yeah, welcome back, and I'll be filming and also put a link to where you can see the build of this boat over the past couple months. I'm going to just try her out for the first time as a rowboat here at Winter Park. But yeah, it floats well. So let me just show you the boat real quick. 17-foot rowable sailboat, built marine grade plywood. Took about 4 months to put it together. Weighs about 200 pounds, the hull, and I don't have the sailing mast up or anything, but you can see the thwarts, the seats, and the nice woodwork. Just making sure it's watertight today, and see how it handles in the water. So here we go. I'm going to launch it and film a bit as we go along. Here's a nice view of her just on the beach. Again, I'm just testing it out today. Floats very well. Walking the boat. Like it. So here, come pass by. It's a beautiful boat. It's all fiberglass and wood. Floats high in the water too, which is nice. All right, here we are. Kind of in the lake, just run around, turn it around so you can see. It's a beautiful day here in Winter Park. Nice area. I've been here with my other powerboat, just trying out this one. Boat's pretty stable. Doing some rocking tests, that's it. Here we go. Here's another view. Now we're basically returning in the wind at this point. It's okay. Let the wind do its work. At this point, without the sails, the hull is kind of like a sail in itself. See the oars that I'm using. It's a beautiful day. Just coasting on in. thanks for watching today, and hope you enjoyed the maiden voyage of the Hunky Dory. And I'll see you next time as I put the sails up and try sailing this thing. All right, take care, everyone. Bye.